Today I'm going to demonstrate one recipe from the cookbook for Orange Spiced Pepitas. This is a really delicious and simple recipe that's very versatile and involves just a few ingredients. Pepitas are green pumpkin seeds, the zest of an orange, which is now in season, and a couple of spices, of course, some cayenne pepper and some ground cinnamon. While the pepitas are toasting, I'm just going to put together our spice mixture. So in our bowl here, we're going to put a little bit of sugar, a little bit of kosher salt, our ground cayenne pepper, and our ground cinnamon. Just gonna take a spoon and mix that all together. And then to this spice mixture, we're just going to zest this orange. Make sure you wash your orange before you zest it so that you don't get anything dirty into it. Also, ideally, this is a good time for organic produce. So handy zester here, and then basically just keep zesting. I wish you could smell how good this orange zest smells. All right, so we've got all of our spices and orange zest together. I'm just stirring that together here in the bowl. And let's see where we are with our pepitas. So I think our pepitas are pretty much done now. You'll see them right here, pretty tan. So I'm gonna take them off the heat. And here is our spice and orange zest mixture, which we pre-stirred. And I'm just gonna put it together into the pan with the pepitas. You can let them cool a little bit if you like, but you don't need to. Just make sure they're off the heat. And now we're just gonna stir it through so that they're coated evenly with our little bit sweet, little bit salty, a little bit spicy mixture of sugar, salt, orange zest, cayenne pepper, and ground cinnamon. So here you go, just like that, in just a few minutes, we have our orange spiced pepitas. They're so fragrant, I wish that you could taste them right now. I'm just gonna show you how crunchy they are. And let me tell you a little bit about the nutrition properties of some of these ingredients. This is a hallmark of my cooking classes and something that you'll find also throughout Spicebox Kitchen. Pepitas, which again are pumpkin seeds, are a good source of fiber, protein, and also zinc. Zinc is a nutrient that is really important for building our immune system. Cinnamon is a source of sweetness and flavor without adding sugar. And that's important for any of us who are trying to limit our sugar intake. In addition, cinnamon has been shown in studies to both lower blood pressure and blood sugar. And finally, the cayenne pepper, which is basically ground chili pepper, can be an important source of protective antioxidants, which are thought to have a benefit for many metabolic conditions. But whether you're interested in the health properties or just the flavor, this is a really tasty snack and garnish for you. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you enjoyed it, please check out Spicebox Kitchen. It's full of spice-filled, globally inspired, vegetable-forward recipes to have you enjoy food, eat well, and be well. Thanks for coming by.